Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we will explore a visually effective technique how to highlight the active cell and row in Excel with a click. Before we start, let's consider this worksheet for this demonstration. To highlight the active cell and row, we will use a simple VBA. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. In the VBA editor, double-click on this workbook in the Project Explorer window. Copy and paste the following code into the code window. I have shared this code in the description. Close the VBA editor window. Now that we have added the VBA script, let's test it out. Click on any cell in your worksheet. You should see the entire row of the active cell highlighted in light yellow and the active cell itself highlighted in light orange. If you click on cell C7 caret, the entire third row will be highlighted in yellow and cell C7 will be highlighted in orange. If you want to customize the highlight colors to better fit your preferences or organizational theme, go back to the editor, VB editor, modify the RGB values in the script to change the colors. For example, RGB 255, 255, 255 for white, RGB 255, 0, 0 for red, RGB 0, 255, 0 for green, and RGB 00, 255 for blue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.